Welcome to our SQL Developer Course, a complete hands-on program designed to help you master data, querying, analyze, and optimization. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, this course will strengthen your SQL skill for real-world application. Module 1: SQL Fundamental and Advanced Queries. In this module, you will learn SQL fundamentals such as table, key, and basic queries. You will then move into advanced querying techniques that help you retrieve, filter, and analyze data efficiently. Module 2: Join, Window Function, and CTs. Here you will master join to combine data from multiple tables. You will also learn window function and common table expression, which allow you to write powerful, readable, and optimized SQL queries. Module 3: Performance Tuning and Indexing. This module focuses on performance. You will understand indexing strategies, query execution plan, and turning techniques that improve query speed and database efficiency. Module 4: Stored Procedure and Function. Learn how to write stored procedure and function to automate logic inside the database. This module helps you to create reusable, secure, and high performance data program. Module 5: Data Modeling and Normalization. In this module, you will learn how to design effective database scheme. You will understand data modeling concept, normalization technique, and how to structure data from scalability and reliability. Module 6: ETL Basic and Working with BI Tools. This module introduces ETL concept, extract, transform, and load. You will learn how SQL is used with BI tools to prepare data for reporting, dashboard, and business analysis. Module 7: Real World SQL Task and Optimization Lab. In the final module, you will work on a real world SQL scenarios. You will solve practical problems, optimize complex query, and gain hands-on experience through performance tuning lab. By the end of this SQL Developer course, you will have the skill to write optimized queries, design effective database, and handle real-world data challenges with confidence. Enroll now and take your SQL expertise to the next level.